Hi everyone, we're going to write an equation of the line that passes through point P, and I already did the first one here, point P, and it's perpendicular to the line AB. So what I did is I found the slope of AB by getting 2 points on the line that are touching the corners here, and I went up 1 to the left 2. So rise over run. So that would be -1/2. Therefore, the perpendicular line, which is the negative reciprocal, since it's negative, I changed it to positive, and then I just did the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2, or 2 over 1. Then all you have to do is write down your equation from y equals mx plus b, plug in your new slope, and point P. And I did that, and I solved for my y-intercept, which you could kind of already tell there it is. So then you plug that number right back into this equation, and you get y equals 2x minus 3. And if I graph this, I would go from my y-intercept, and I'm going up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and that would be a perpendicular line there. Okay, it forms a right angle. Now let's do the other two. So here's number 17. So the first step, you don't have to go in this order, but I'm going to do point P, which is x is -1 and y is 0. Now I'm going to find the slope of AB. So the slope of AB, I picked 2 points. So I'll just pick this one, and the only other one I can pick is this one. So I'm going up 1, and to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. So to the left is negative. You can call the whole thing -1/4. Therefore, the slope of the perpendicular line, I'll write it like that, is going to be the negative reciprocal. So the negative of negative is positive, and the reciprocal of 1/4 is 4 over 1, or just 4. Now all you have to do is write your y equals mx plus b. Substitute in your slope. So your slope is 4. And now substitute your new point. So my y is 0, and my x is -1. So I'm going to move it back over here. So you get 0 equals -4 plus b. You're going to add 4 to both sides, so you get 4 equals b. Therefore, your final equation is going to be y equals, you take this one, 4x plus 4. So let's graph it. So I'm going to go to 4 on the y-intercept. The y-intercept, remember, is 0, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to do -4 divided by -1. 2 negatives make a positive since we're up so high. So I'm going to go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the right 1. You can do it again if you want. Down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the left 1. Sorry, left. And then draw your line. This is harder when it's farther apart, but there's your line. And this would be perpendicular. Okay, and the last one's a little different. I'm going to write down my point P. Point P is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3, 3. The slope is undefined. So the slope is undefined for AB, the AB slope line. So the negative reciprocal undefined, that would be like something like 1 over 0. And the negative reciprocal would be 0. So the slope of the perpendicular line is 0. It could be 0 over anything, but that would be your slope. So let's write our equation. And we have y equals 0x plus b. Plug in your new point. So 3 and 3. So 3 equals 0 times 3 plus b. That's just 0. So 3 equals b. So I get y equals 0x plus 3, or y just equals 3. That means my slope is 0. So just go up to 3, 1, 2, 3, and it's going to pass through that point right there. And there's your perpendicular line right there. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.